Hello, everybody. My name is Tanner Kluver. This is going to be for project group number 6, and this is the fifth and final report for the Firebot. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, like I've talked about in pretty much every other video update so far, we decided not to go with the traditional progress chart. We ended up doing one on Excel. So we're continuing work on coding completed prototypes for the fan and chassis, and we're also continuing work on the final report, finishing up a lot of stuff on the progress chart, and then that'll be good. So for our actual progress report, a couple things we got done with this week. We wired up all of our sensors, servos, and motors. We finished 3D printing parts for the fan and another 3D printed part for the bottom of the chassis. Additionally, we were able to finish up code for some of the robots. Still have a little bit to go yet, so we'll continue working on that. We also started preliminary testing with all of our components included. So previously we had done testing with each one individually, and those were all like pretty successful. So now we're all putting it together into one big system and then testing all that out. So that's what we're doing this week. And additionally, we were finishing up with a project report. So we have like about one and a half sections left yet to do. So getting really close to finishing that. So just another quick picture of what the robot's looking like. This is a little bit of an older photo. We have a new mount here that'll actually lift this fan up and down, but we have the fan to cool the heat source. There's our infrared sensor connected to a couple of servos, so it has like very, very nice range of motion. And then we have our ultrasonic sensor to help avoid obstacles in the front. So here's an updated picture of the bottom. So as I had said before, we didn't actually have that 3D printed part yet to hold our Arduino. So that was getting printed off so that way we didn't have to like tape it down. It's a little ragtag right now, but it'll all look a lot better in the coming weeks. We just want to start testing stuff, getting it going. So including the picture include like DC motors, our brushless motors, the converter for the Arduino, and then our final battery right there. And then here's a video of us actually like moving the robot around a little bit. It's nothing too crazy. We have better code running right now too, but this was just a video that we captured a little early on in the process. Cool. So as you guys can see, the tank treads are working amazing. They're actually pretty cool to use and program. And like I talked about before, it was mounted on a different surface. There's like a hinge piece right here that like lifts up so that way it can like blow out fires or hot sources at many different angles. And then some plans for the next meeting. So we're getting right down in time. We got to start finishing some stuff up. So we decided to meet on Tuesday of next week instead of a regular Thursday. So that way, if we wanted to get again together on Thursday, we'd have that opportunity. Additionally, we were able to finalize all programming or finalize the programming and the wiring. That's what we're trying to do next week. Continue testing the robot, finish up the report, and then start the actual presentation for the final presentations on the 14th. So that's pretty much what we got this week. We made a lot of progress, did a lot of troubleshooting, but overall it was a pretty successful week. And I guess this will be the last time that we do this. So thank you very much.